Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel AP Nailet Classes. Here we discussing about some important question related to Triple C. Now starting. Question number 1. Which of these should a company consider before implementing cloud computing technology? A. Employee satisfaction. B. Potential cost reduction. C. Information sensitivity. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 2. The most successful project of NEGP is A. Passport Seva Project PSP. B. Mission Mode Project MMP. C. A and B both. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Passport Seva Project PSP. Question number 3. Gmail automatically moves all the spam mails to the spam folder in the left pane. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question number 4. Big online business website like Flipkart, Snapdeal uses Facebook or Gmail data to view the customer information or behavior. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question number 5. Which of the following is first distributed blockchain implementation? A. Ethereum. B. Bitcoin. C. Both of the above. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Both of the above. Question number 6. Face recognition system is based on A. Parallel AI. B. Serial AI. C. Strong AI. D. Applied AI. The correct answer is D. Applied AI. Question number 7. What is the definition of e-commerce? A. The transmission of email over the internet. B. Sale through catalog and telephone. C. Information provided by the US Census Bureau. D. The conducting of business and communication transaction by electronic means. The correct answer is D. The conducting of business and communication transaction by electronic means. Question 8. When was the first VR headset created? A. 2012. B. 1968. C. 1962. D. 1997. The correct answer is B. 1968. Question number 9. Everybody can access Umang app on its desktop. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question number 10. The online registration system ORS for public hospital was launched on A. 16 August. B. 16 July. C. 15 July. D. 15 January. The correct answer is 15 July. Question number 11. In the Internet of Things information system cannot be accessed remotely. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 12. In digital payment, the transfer mode preferred for large transaction is A. IMPS. B. NEFT. C. RTGS. D. UPI. The correct answer is C. RTGS. Question number 13. What is cloud computing replacing? A. Corporate data centers. B. Expensive personal computer hardware. C. Expensive software upgrades. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 14. Which processor at the Stanford University coined the word artificial intelligence in 1956 at a conference held at Dartmouth College? A. John McCarthy. B. David Levy. C. Joseph Wijnbaum. D. Hans Berliner. The correct answer is A. John McCarthy. Question number 15. When you log into your blogging account, it is the first screen with all controls, tools and functions. A. Options. B. Dashboard. C. Customize. D. Template. The correct answer is B. Dashboard. Question 16. First part of the email address identifies the A. Domain name. B. ISP. C. Username. D. Residential address. The correct answer is C. Username. Question number 17. What is a method for business to business purchase and sale of supplies and service over the internet? A. E-tailing. B. Enterprise resource management. C. Supply chain management. D. e-procurement. The correct answer is A. E-tailing. Question number 18. Big data analytics has helped healthcare improve by providing A. Predictive analytics, B. Money, C. Laboratory prediction, D. Analytical chemistry. The correct answer is A. Predictive analytics. Question 19. Word processor can be called as A. Dynamic websites, B. Static websites, C. Content management website, D. E-commerce website. The correct answer is C. Content management website. Question number 20. Cloud computing allows you to access information from A. Your desktop, B. Video game systems, C. Smartphones, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 21. It is very important to add signature to our mail. A. True, B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question number 22. A protocol used for fetching email from a mailbox is POP1. A. True, B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question number 23. E-governance is technology that improves A. Accountability, B. Transparency, C. Efficiency of government process, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 24. PIN stands for A. Personal identification number, B. Permanent identification number, C. Portable identification number, D. All of the above. The correct answer is A. Personal identification number. Question number 25. Which of the following protocol can only be used for sending emails? A. SMTP, B. POP3, C. IMAP, D. STTP. The correct answer is A. SMTP. Question number 26. The paper orientation for printing is A. Portrait, B. Landscape, C. Either A or B, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Either A or B. Question number 27. The select multiple files. Open the folder containing the files and click the files you want to select them. A. Press and hold down the control key as you click each file you want to select. B. Press and hold down the Alt key as you click each files you want to select. C. Press and hold down the Shift key as you click each file you want to select. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Press and hold down the Control key as you click each file you want to select. Question number 28. Which of the following is not a valid data type in Excel? A. Character, B. Label, C. Number, D. Date or time. The correct answer is A. Character. Question number 29. If you personalize your email e-commerce site, it can harm your business. A. True, B. False. The correct answer is B. False. Question number 30. Which of these is not a form of biometrics? A. Password, B. Retina scan, C. Breath scan, D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Password. These are some important questions related to Triple C. Thanks for watching.